mo kay Cortina dyan? Nakikita ko uma-acting eh. Sarado mo.
Ba't malungkot ang beshi ko? Kasi malungkot ang lola mo.
If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you.
Papa, yung mga bote ni Dylan hindi mo pa nahuhugas.
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left. Cause I've been blasting and laughing so long that even my mama thinks that.
Ang sakit ng ulo ko. Kailangan ko ng forehead kiss. Eme.
Late na ako. Ikaw.